Okay, greetings folks. On the last video we talked about knowing thyself, and then when you change yourself you'll notice your ability to enter into the zone amplifies. So making those changes generate an ease with which you can perform. Now the next stage is fine-tuning those changes on a micro level. So you've done macro things like, okay, I'll drink less alcohol and I'll perform better, I'll get the zone more synchronized. Simple things like that, you'll notice instantaneous change. Now, how do we change the deeper aspects of your belief about yourself? Let's say you train in MMA and you want to be a world champion. Do you actually believe you can be a world champion? So these micro details about your astral nature need to be shifted. It's not enough to release resistance anymore. It's time to take on new personality belief structures. So you can use self-hypnosis for this. You can see a hypnotherapist. You can see a sports performance psychologist. There's a lot of options on how to improve your self-image to be able to materialize and create a self-fulfilling prophecy of achieving something and actually achieve it. So there's the releasing of a resistance and there's the inputting of new information. Now, if let's say you visualize an idea in your imagination and you visualize it in the present moment, not the future, but right now you're a champion, and then you vital breathe into it and do the first transformation. You'll start to feel the reality of that become a part of your mindset, becoming a part of your persona, a part of your feeling. As you relax that information, that imagination, into your feeling with vital energy, it becomes a part of your personality's belief structure of your unconscious. Now, when you act appropriately and train based on that belief structure, you're in the zone to achieve it. You take it on as a reality. It's not something that's maybe not. No, I'm a champion. Now it's just a matter of owning it and becoming the champion of the physical. When you're a champion mentally, imagination, astrally, conviction, now you're in a position where you can physically materialize that and express yourself as a champion. So we have 3 stages of taking on new belief structures. 1 is imagination. 2 is conviction. And 3 is action. Now the 3 need to work together so the action materializes itself as a reality. If you're not doing them together, then you're going to have a slower growth rate. You really want the speed of change to be very, very fast. Okay, so this next stage of developing the warrior mind is imagination exercises integrated into the zone and materializing them. Mental, emotional, and physical activity. Those of you who have been working through the initiation text, this will make perfect sense to you. Those of you on my Vimeo course, this will just be a natural extension of different perspectives of looking at that course. Okay, thanks for your time. See you on the next video.